So the Nomad is a battery. The capacity of the battery is 110 kilowatt hour, and it can deliver up to 30 kW in continuous power. What is quite new, the battery is built on a pallet format, so it's totally independent from the vehicles. So you can put it on a small van, on a heavy-duty truck. You can deliver the battery on the set. You can charge it on every car station, so you can make a AC or DC charge. And for the DC charge, you can make a full charge in 1 hour. So it allows you to make like a charge during the lunchtime, for example, if you need more energy for the set. We made a product very simple to use. So you have only 3 main digital screens with the remaining time you have. The remaining time always depends on how many power you use. That's why the Nomad calculates in real time the remaining time. I think it's the main solution to replace fuel generators. In Paris, it's now totally forbidden to use fuel generators. It's totally silenced. You can charge and discharge in the same times. So you can use it as buffer. So, for example, if you don't have not enough power on the sets, you can plug the Nomad to the grid and use electricity from the Nomad.